We're here to officially announce the winner of December's giveaway, but first, let's take a look at some great offers and new products from Parts Express. With a new lineup of high-quality and affordable HDMI 3.5mm RCA optical Y adapter and USB-C cables, Parts Express stocks a solution for your connection needs. You've already spent a lot of money on your AV gear. We believe that premium, top-class cabling options shouldn't be expensive. Use the link in the description of this video to see all the cables we have presented on one easy-to-use webpage. Combining the proven performance of the popular C-Note kit with the convenience of a built-in amplifier with Bluetooth, the C-Sharp powered bookshelf kit makes it easy to add high-quality audio almost anywhere. With accurate response, incredible imaging, and a surprising amount of bass, this kit is perfect as a bedroom stereo, for a gaming system, computer speakers, desktop monitor, or even a portable system for the back deck. Check it out now, available on the website. Many new video game consoles only have an HDMI connection with no dedicated audio output. If you need an audio output from a singular HDMI cable, one of our HDMI audio extractors will do the trick. This 4x1 UHD switcher connects 4 devices to a TV and provides a high level of audio and video performance with support for resolutions up to 4K at 60 Hz. Learn more about this and many other HDMI audio extractors on partsexpress.com. This whole month is 20% off all Goldwood products. Goldwood Sound manufactures US-designed loudspeaker components for home audio, pro audio, and mobile sound applications. You're sure to find a Goldwood speaker that meets or exceeds your expectations, and 20% off is a pretty great deal. All right, last month we ran one of the biggest giveaways we've ever had, featuring over $3,200 worth of BNC gear. Now, officially, the winner of it all is Steven Z from Northfield, Minnesota. Congratulations, Steven. We'll be in contact soon. That is a big win, and you can win big too. This month's giveaway is a B652 Air 5.1 surround sound system from Dayton Audio, which includes a 10-inch subwoofer. That's $230 worth of equipment. Good luck to everyone who enters, and we'll see you next month.